Hi Year 8, this is just a little video to help you do the homeworks and, Year 7 or 8 actually, a video to help you do the homeworks when I set you a flip learning task. So this is the template on the right, is it your right? On my left hand side of the screen, and I'll show you the template that I use. And on this side of the screen, we'll go to the resources that you might get. So here's week 1. Cells, tissues and organs. This is actually what Year 8 are doing, but it is a Year 7 topic. So the pages, the textbook pages down the bottom here, and I have actually set you this homework already. You've done this homework, so you're able to look at, let me download this template so you can see it, something that you've already done. Okay, so just get rid of that and move it over to that side and bring my textbook page back. Okay, so what are the bold words on the page and can you find out what they mean? So I'm looking at all of these. There's one, organs, magnifies, microscopes, cells, organisms, multicellular, unicellular. There's quite a few, and it is the nature of biology really that we do have quite a lot of keywords to learn. Organ, tissue, cell. Okay, so your job would be then to look in the back of the textbook. On this occasion you can't, but when you're doing a Year 8 topic that's in the Year 8 textbook, keywords will be found in the glossary at the back of the textbook. For this unit, you can actually, you could probably just Google meaning of organ, and it might be able to tell you on Google what the meaning is, and you can put it in there. So this is your keyword space, if you like. There's here, for your notes, bottom right of the page, of the double spread. So there's the for your notes section, and these are really the notes that help get the essence of what that double page is all about. Okay, so they're really important that you copy those in straight away. It might be that there'd be something in this double spread page spread that you found really interesting. Now on here, if we look at here, we can see organs. We now know that teeth, heart and muscles, leaves and flowers are all organs, right? So we could say our interesting fact is some of these things I didn't know were organs are actually organs, and an organ is a collection of tissues working together to perform the same function. And then in this big bubble here, can you summarize each paragraph in one sentence, or can you give me the main point, or can you give an annotated diagram? So in this case here, one of these, this diagram here is brilliant. So it shows the skin covering your body is the organ, and then it shows the outer layer of skin being the tissue called the epidermis. And then when we get to the cells, we zoom in a bit further into the tissue and we see it's actually made up of the same kind of cell, skin cell. All right, so this is how you use this template to make good notes. It's a really good habit to get into. There it is in full, and then you can put the current topic, which is organs, cells and tissues. And I'll do this with you over the next few weeks just to get you used to it. And eventually you'll just become really good independent learners, and you'll be able to make notes from textbooks with ease, hopefully. And the real skill here is summarizing information from the textbook in your own words, really, not just a simple copying exercise. Yeah, the summarization of these textbook pages where you're really putting things into your own words, and it's much better for recall. You'll be able to recall this information much easier if you do that rather than just copy. Okay, so that's my guidance. Stopping the video here.